Worrior Plus affiliate marketing tutorial. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Worrior Plus for affiliate marketing and how to get started with the platform and what are some features that you need to know about. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go onto your browser and open warriorplus.com. It's a website which allows you to to earn profit with your business, and you can also do affiliate marketing through Worrior Plus. It is a really great platform if you are thinking about starting with affiliate marketing to earn some extra cash on your hand. And it has sales automation, and it has thousands of affiliates and top-notch products and powerful tracking, and it has established thriving community sharing success. It has powerful features, and it is less hyped, and you can also have outstanding customer service and support. So these are basically some features about the platform, and as you can see, it looks really good. It's easy to get started. You need to go with three simple process. You need to create your account, find or offer products, and build your business. So if you are a businessman, if you want to basically promote your products, you can also come on Worrior Plus and give your offers so that other affiliate marketers will come on and see your offer and will promote your product and earn some cash. But if you are affiliate marketer, if you want to earn cash yourself and you don't have a business or anything and you want to promote other people's products, you can also come to Worrior Plus. So you have both options right here, and both are really great. So how you can get started? It is very easy. What you need to do is you need to click on this option right here which says free sign up, and you just need to click it and it will take you to a sign up form. Okay, so here you can see you have to add your username, your password, and your email address. So I am going to add these three things, and I'm then going to click on this option right here, create account. Okay, so after adding in those that information, you then click on create your account, and this is what's going to happen next. You need to activate your account. For that, they have sent an activation code or activation email basically to the mail that you have provided them, and here you can see this is open for me. Verification required, activate your Worrior Plus account. So I'm just going to click on this link right here, and my account will be activated, and then I can continue with my affiliate marketing on Worrior Plus. Okay, so now you need to simply log in. You need to provide your username that you have entered before, and then you need to add your password that you have provided for that specific account that you activated right now. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to log in. Okay, so now you have three options. This is basically welcome to Worrior Plus. You can either sell your own products, and you can also earn money as an affiliate, and you can buy products and services related to online business and marketing. So you have these three options that you can do on Worrior Plus. So what you need to do, are you going to sell your products? Are you going to earn money as an affiliate? Because that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to click on this option right here, and I'm going to go on and earn money as an affiliate. Okay, so here you can see after clicking on that option which says I want to basically do affiliate marketing on Worrior Plus, they have opened up a kind of a blog for you, and then they have told you everything about it, what's it about, and how you can get started. So here you can see getting started promoting products as an affiliate on Worrior Plus. Thank you for your interest, etc., etc. And as you can see right here, this is a whole article by their CEO and stuff. So what you need to do is you need to go to Worrior Plus, and then you'll be greeted to your dashboard. Okay, so this is basically, you can see this is the basic dashboard, and here you can see these are the top products: AI Unlimited, Loophole, True Profits, etc. And then this is the marketplace. You can access the marketplace from here, and then the product alerts are gonna be here, and then you have your vendors right here. So you can go on and deal of the day, and you can see everything. You can go from marketplace from here as well. Then this is your vendor. The dashboard offers products, shared products, etc. And this is your affiliate dashboard, your offers, your stats, and everything. So I'm just going to show you the marketplace, how to basically do the affiliate marketing thing. Okay, so here you can see here you have your offers that you can promote, and this is the date of the offer that the offer was basically listed. And here you can see this is basically updated that offer. So you can just go down and see everything that you have. This is Tube Hero, this is Prime Tube, WP theme, a plugin, a Black Friday 2022 deal, the Elite Academy member Black Friday, and everything. So as you can see, these are all the offers that you have on Worrior Plus. So you can choose any offer, and you can start promoting that offer, and you can see everything about that specific offer. If you want to basically come and search for something, if you want to search a specific one, that you can search from here. If you want to search a specific vendor, you can just search from here. So this is the main home of the marketplace. You can go on and open any offer that you want, like this one. This is an app builder, create unlimited apps and everything. I have just opened up this offer, and it has opened for me the inappbuilder.com, and here you can see this is basically the thing that you're going to promote. This is the preface of the app that you have right here, and this is app monetization and everything, and you can just go on and see what it is about. So this is basically how you get offers on Worrior Plus. Now that was the marketplace. Now if you go into affiliate and you go on to offers, this is what's going to open up, and here you can find the offers that you can actually promote. This is the release date, this is the sales, this is the amount of sales that specific thing that has done. This is the convenience rate, the visitor value, and average sale. The refund rate is 0%. So you can say that visitor value is $4.23 and average sale is 13.97. So you can just go on and you can you can request anything that you want. You can see that this is Profit Alliance, this is Infinity Booking, Smart Booking System, and everything. So I'm just going to open up one offer for you, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, so I opened up an offer and promote this brand new AI-based software that creates appointment and service booking websites in less than 60 seconds. So this is what you're gonna do. This is basically the vendor. This is the Soft Pro 63, and the offer stats are these. The sales are 500 plus. The conversion rate is 14%. Visitor value is 2.88%, and there is refund rate is 2%, and pulse is 69.5, which is good. Like a lot of people are liking this product, and the price range is 18.44 to 98.44, and the commission range is $9.22 to $169.53. As you can see, the commission rate is very high. You can earn as much as $169.53 from this. So what you're gonna do is you can just affiliate information. You can contact the vendor if you want to, and you can also view their JV page. Just click on that and they'll show you what you're basically going to promote, and then you have your contest. You have phase 2 and phase 1. The start date is this, the end date is this, and you can just go on and start promoting this offer. But the thing is, you cannot go on and start promoting it as it is. You need to basically request the approval to start promoting this first. So what you need to do is you need to click on this option right here which says request approval, and click on that, and then you are going to add something about a detail about why you are trying to promote this and how you can promote it in a better way. You just need to enter this information, write a small note, and then you can basically go on and request this to vendor. So after your request has been sent, your request has been sent to the seller, you will be notified via email when the seller accepts or rejects your request. So you need to wait, you need to come on, you need to select all of these things, you need to select the offers, you need to request the approval to affiliate to basically go on and market them. Then you are going to basically wait until the vendors of all the offers that you have requested your approval to are going to accept it or reject it eventually. And when that will happen, the ones that they have accepted are going to be are in your mail. You can access them, and then you can start promoting them on whatever social media platform that you have and whatever strategy that you're going to apply to promote those things. And whenever you make a sale, you're going to make commission out of it. So the average commission, it is starting from $9.22 and it is ending on $169.53. So depending upon the sales that you make, you're going to earn profit from everything. So the other things that you need to take a look is basically you need to go onto your stats. Okay, so these are basically your stats, and here you can see that the product totals are 0, hop sales, hop conversion, hop dollars, dollar per sale, and total are everything about what you have made right now, and the offers that you have promoted, the products that you have promoted are gonna list here, and you can just go on and take a quick look at your stats from this option right here. Then you can also go to transactions, and you can see what transactions have you made, or you can just simply go to your affiliate dashboard and you can see what's going on in a mere view of everything of that specific dashboard. Okay, so this is my main dashboard, and here you can see this is today, yesterday, last 7 days, the last 30 days. So this is basically where my money is going to be listed if I have what I have made today and yesterday and every day from last 7 days. And here is basically affiliate daily stats, affiliate recurring payments, and affiliate requests. So in here I have one request pending right now, and other than that everything is 0 because I have just created my account. Then this is basically my affiliate transactions, and I can have my buyer mail, product name, and tracking code right here, and I can search the transaction about that specific thing and everything, and then I can just go on, and this is basically where my transactions are gonna list. But I have nothing right now, so obviously I cannot do that. And this is the contest and launch calendars and sales report. So basically this is your whole affiliate marketing thing. You can withdraw your money whenever you want from Worrior Plus. I don't have any money right now, so obviously I cannot withdraw, but you can just go on go to your wallet, and from there you will be able to withdraw your money no matter how much it is. You just need to link your wallet with your PayPal or something, and then you can just click on withdraw and you'll be able to withdraw your money. So it is that easy. So as you can see, Worrior Plus is a really great platform for you to start affiliate marketing. You can find amazing offers in a very all in one place, and you don't have to go through any trouble as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any query, just comment it down in the comment section below and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.